My name is Bella. For many years, I work in a very big and very beautiful hotel. It is a 5-star hotel. The floor is shiny, the lights are soft and bright. The air smells like clean flowers. In the lobby, people speak in quiet voices. Many guests are rich. They wear nice suits and expensive dresses. They carry bags with famous names. I am a receptionist. I stand behind the front desk every day. I smile. I say, "Good morning," and "Welcome." I give room keys. I answer questions. I see rich people all the time. Some rich men talk to me more than they need to. Some of them bring me gifts. They bring roses, they bring perfume, they bring earrings, they bring designer bags. I do not ask for these things, but I take them. I think, why not? This is my life. Some people call me a gold digger. I hear the words behind my back. I hear it in small jokes. I act like I do not care. I tell myself, they are only jealous. In my heart, I want a life with easy money. I want good food and nice trips. I want a big house. I want a rich husband. I think my beauty can open any door. I think love is not as important as comfort. I choose men with money. I do not feel sorry about it. My friend Lisa works with me in the hotel. She is kind, she is calm, she does not like drama. One day she looks at me and says, "Bella, you are very pretty, but please be careful. Beauty is not always safe. Money is not always good." I laugh. I say, "Lisa, do not worry. Beauty is power. Money is freedom." Lisa does not argue. She only looks sad for a second. Then she goes back to work. Time goes on. I date rich men. I eat in expensive restaurants. I sit in fast cars. I take photos in nice places. I feel like a queen. I think it will never stop. I think I am smart. I think I know life. Then a new waiter comes to the hotel. His name is Danny. He is tall. He has warm eyes. He has a gentle smile. He wears the hotel uniform like the other workers. He is not like the rich guests. He does not have a gold watch. He does not have fancy shoes. But he is clean, polite, and calm. Every day he passes the front desk. He smiles at me. He says, "Hello, Bella." I say, "Hello," but I do not really look at him. In my mind, he is only a waiter. He is not part of my dream. My dream is bigger. My dream has money. One quiet evening, the lobby is not busy. The lights are soft. I hear small sounds, the elevator, the keys, the steps. Danny comes to my desk. He looks a little nervous. His hands move in a small, shy way. He takes a breath and says, "Bella, can I ask you something?" I look up. "Yes?" He looks at me and says, "Would you like to have dinner with me sometime?" For a second, I am surprised. Then I laugh. Not a kind laugh, a small, hard laugh. I say, "Dinner with you?" My voice is louder than I want. "Danny, you cannot pay for dinner here. You cannot even pay for our hotel menu. How can you take me to dinner?" His smile goes away. His face changes. His eyes look down. He says very quietly, "I only want time with you. I like you, Bella." I feel strong, like I must protect my life and my plan. I say, "I am sorry, Danny. I do not date poor men. I have a standard. I want a rich life, and you cannot give me that. He does not fight. He does not shout. He just stands there for a moment. Then he turns and walks away. His shoulders look heavy. In my chest, I feel a small sting, a small guilt. But I push it away. I tell myself, this is normal. This is my choice. The next morning, Danny is gone. I hear he quits the job. People say, he left. I act like it is nothing. I keep smiling for rich guests. I keep taking gifts. But sometimes, late at night, I remember his eyes. I remember the way he looked down. 2 years pass. I am still in the same hotel. My life looks the same. Rich men still come. Gifts still come. My smile is still on my face. But inside, something is a little tired. Still, I do not change. One busy morning, the lobby is full. Then a man walks in. He is very confident. He wears a perfect suit. His shoes shine like glass. A gold watch is on his wrist. People look at him. Workers stand straighter. The air feels different, like power walks with him. He comes to the front desk. I lift my eyes. My breath stops. It is Danny. For a moment, my mind cannot move. He looks older. He looks stronger. His face is calm. His eyes are the same, but now they have fire and control. He smiles a small, polite smile. He says, "Hello, Bella." My hands start to shake. My mouth is dry. I whisper, "Danny? Is it really you?" He nods. "Yes. I am here for a business meeting. I need the best suite." I try to type his name, but my fingers feel slow. "Yes, Mr. Danny," I say. My face feels hot. I want to hide, but I cannot. He signs the paper. He takes the key. He walks to the elevator like he owns the floor under his feet. When he is gone, my heart beats fast. My old words come back like a loud echo. I do not date poor men. I feel sick. I feel shame. Now he is rich. Now he is exactly what I said I wanted. But my stomach is tight. My victory tastes like dust. That night I cannot sleep. I turn in my bed. I see his sad face from 2 years ago. I hear my own laugh. I feel how cruel it was. I ask myself, why did I say it like that? Why did I make him small? I understand something new. My words had teeth. In the morning, I wait near the elevators. I tell myself, I will be brave. I will talk. When Danny comes out, he looks busy but calm. I step forward with a careful smile. "Danny," I say, "maybe we can have dinner now if you are free?" He stops. He looks at me like a stranger. Not angry, not warm, just distant. He says, "No thank you, Bella. I have other plans." His simple words hit me hard. My cheeks burn. My throat feels tight. This is rejection. This is the cold door closing. I want to say, I am sorry, but my pride holds my tongue. I only stand there, small and quiet. And now I know his old pain. I feel it in my own skin. For 3 days I see him in the hotel. He is with business people. He talks with strong voices. People respect him. Some women look at him with bright eyes. They smile too much. They try to be close. I watch from the front desk and feel a deep regret, not only because he is rich now, but because I see the person I missed. I see his discipline. I see his calm. I see his strong heart. On the fourth day, I do something wrong. I find his room number in the system. My hands shake, but I call. When he answers, I try to sound professional. "Hello, Mr. Danny. This is Bella from reception. Would you like to join me for dinner tonight?" Silence. Then his voice, calm and flat. "No, Bella, thank you." I feel stupid, but I call again the next day. This time my voice is softer. "Danny, please, I only want to talk. Please give me one chance." He sighs. "Bella, stop. You are wasting your time." His words hurt, but I cannot let go. Later, I see him near the exit. He is walking fast. I run a little like a child who is late. "Danny, please," I say. He turns. His eyes are steady. "Just one dinner," I say. "I want to say sorry. Please." He looks at me for a long time. The lobby feels silent around us. Then he says, "Fine, one dinner." Hope jumps inside me like a spark. I think, this is it. I can fix it. I go home and prepare like it is the most important day of my life. I wear an elegant red dress. I do my hair. I use soft makeup. I look in the mirror and try to see a better Bella. At the restaurant, the lights are warm. The music is low. I wait at the table. When Danny comes in, he looks handsome and calm. He sits across from me. We order food. My hands still shake a little, but I try to smile. I say, "Danny, you are so different now. You are very successful." He nods. "Yes, I work very hard. I have my own company now." I say, "I am happy for you." He looks at me with a careful face. Then he asks, "Are you happy for me, Bella? Or are you happy because I am rich now?" My face burns again. I feel my old self standing in front of me like a mirror. I try to speak. "No, Danny, He lifts one hand. "It is okay," he says. "I only want to see you one more time. You teach me something important." I blink. "I teach you?" He looks into my eyes. His voice is quiet but strong. 2 years ago, when you laugh at me, I feel very small. I feel like nothing. I go home that night and I feel pain. But then I feel a fire inside. I say to myself, I will change my life. I study, I work, I learn, I fail, I try again, day and night. That pain becomes my fuel. I build my company from nothing. So yes, Bella, your cruel words push me. In a strange way, thank you. His words cut me in 2 waves. I feel ashamed because I hurt him, and I feel surprised because he grew from it. Tears come to my eyes, but I hold them back. I want to change the end of this story. I lean forward a little. "So," I say softly, "can we start again? Can we forget the past?" Danny breathes in slowly. His eyes are kind but firm. "No, Bella," he says. "You are beautiful, yes, but your heart is not right for me. You look at money before you look at the person. I cannot love someone like that. I learn what matters. It is not a gold watch. It is not a big car. It is respect. It is kindness." He pays for dinner. He stands up. He says, "Goodbye, Bella," and he walks away. I stay at the table alone. The restaurant lights look too bright. My chest feels empty. I do not cry loud. Tears just fall and fall. I see myself clearly for the first time, and I do not like what I see. My beauty feels like a mask. My dreams feel like paper. I go home and look in the mirror. My eyes look tired. I whisper, "What did I become?" Days pass. Danny leaves the hotel. I never see him again. Rich men still come to the front desk. Gifts still appear. But now, when I hold a shiny bag or a diamond box, I feel nothing. It feels cold, like metal, like a wall. Lisa sees me one afternoon. She asks, "Bella, what happened to you?" I look at her and my voice is small. "I lost something more valuable than gold," I say. "I lost myself." Soon I quit my job at the 5-star hotel. People are surprised. Some laugh. Some say I am crazy. But I need air. I need a new start. I find a job in a small travel agency. The office is simple. There are maps on the wall. There are small plants on the desk. The pay is not big, but my heart feels calm for the first time in years. Now my days are quiet. I help people plan trips. I listen to their stories. Some people save money for one vacation for many years. Their eyes shine when they talk about the sea or the mountains. When they say thank you, it feels warm and real. I wear simple clothes. I eat simple food. I walk home and feel the wind on my face. I feel alive. Sometimes I still think of Danny. I do not dream about his money now. I think about his words, respect, kindness, and heart. I wish I could tell him, "You changed me too." I do not know where he is, but I carry the lesson with me every day. I learned something slow and deep. Money can buy things, but it cannot buy a good heart. Beauty can open doors, but it cannot keep love. A person is not a wallet. A person is a story, a struggle, and a soul. People may still look at me and remember the old Bella. They may still whisper, but it does not hurt like before. I am not digging for gold now. I am digging for something better inside me. I want a clean heart. I want real love when it comes, not because of money, but because of truth. This is my new life. It is not rich on the outside, but it is rich in peace. And for me, now, that is the best kind of wealth.